Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you how I made this sumptuous delicious breakfast. It is so yummy. In a pot you need oil. I'm using olive oil. You can use any one. Beat the egg and then just beat the egg with salt. This is stock cube powder, and I'm going to beat them, and then I'm going to fry the onion and mix paprika. You can as well add tomato if you want. While it is cooking, you have to stir, let it cook for like about 2 to 3 minutes, and then you are ready to add the egg, the egg that I just beat. And then I have to make them in two portions, so I'll just show you the first portion, and then I'm going to use the flat bread for this. While it's cooking, I'm going to bring out the flat bread that I will use for this, and then I will just close it with the flat bread. If you are making a small size, you just use only one flat bread, and my pan is a little big, it's a little bit bigger, so I am using 3 flat bread. Actually, I'm going to make it in 2 portions, so this is the first portion that I'm making. So I'm going to flip it over. You want to make sure your eggs are not sticked in the bottom. I'm flipping it over, and then I will then add cheese. This is optional. I usually use mozzarella cheese for this. So I will now take my spatula and then flip it, and then after that I'll allow it to get brown a bit. When it's brown, I flip it over again, allow it to completely cook so that the bread will be able to be so that we can be able to eat the bread. So I'm going to flip it again. You have to be careful while you are doing this, so the back side is brown, and I also allow the other side to be brown before I can be able to dish it out. So I'll make sure it cooked very well before I will cut them. Just cut them in with your pizza knife or whatever, or any knife or whatever you want to use it for, or eat it that way. And look at how it looks like, and I am done for today. See how it looks like. So delicious.